Alright, here's the script. Intro music upbeat and short. Intro asterisk. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. It's your name here. Today we're diving into a seriously cool iPhone feature that can save you tons of time and mental bandwidth. Summarizing notifications with AI. Tired of sifting through endless notifications? We're talking emails, texts, app updates, the works. Well, iOS 17 has a built-in tool to condense all that noise into easy-to-digest summaries. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to enable this feature, customize it to your needs, and discuss some of the things you might want to consider before turning it on. We'll go over what types of notifications this works with, and how to make the most of it. Before we jump in, if you're enjoying our content, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Body asterisk.
Okay, let's get started.
This feature is only available on iPhones running iOS 17 and later. So make sure you've updated your phone to the latest software. First, we need to enable scheduled summary for notifications. To do that, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. 3. Tap on Scheduled Summary. Now, you'll see a screen where you can customize your notification summaries.
Let's break it down.
Asterisk turn on Scheduled Summary asterisk. The first thing you'll see is a toggle switch. Make sure it's turned on. Asterisk Add Summary asterisk tap Add Summary to create a schedule for when you want to receive these summaries. You can set multiple times throughout the day. For example, you might want a summary in the morning before work, and another in the evening to catch up on everything. Asterisk Notification Apps in Summary asterisk. This is where you choose which apps get included in your summaries. The iPhone will automatically prioritize notifications from the apps you use most often. You can toggle the apps on or off depending on what you want included in the summary. Asterisk apps that won't be in summary asterisk notifications from some apps will still come through immediately even if they are on the scheduled summary. This is for urgent things like messages or calls. Okay, so now you've set up your scheduled summaries. But how does the AI actually work? Well, iOS uses on-device intelligence to analyze your notifications and group them together. It then creates a concise summary that highlights the key information. For example, instead of getting 10 separate notifications from a news app, you might get a single summary that says, Latest News, 3 Developing Stories, including Headline 1 and Headline 2. This works particularly well with things like social media updates, shopping apps, and games that send frequent notifications. Things to consider asterisk. While this feature is super helpful, there are a few things to keep in mind. Asterisk Important Notifications asterisk. Make sure that you still get important notifications immediately. Certain banking apps or emergency alerts, for example, should never be summarized. Keep those notifications set to immediate delivery in the notification settings for that app. Asterisk Customization is key asterisk. Don't be afraid to experiment with different summary schedules and app selections to find what works best for you. You might need to tweak it a bit initially to get it just right. Asterisk Accuracy asterisk. While the AI is pretty good, it's not perfect. Always double-check your summaries to make sure you haven't missed anything important. Sometimes, a longer notification from a certain app might be important. Asterisk Privacy asterisk. All the AI processing happens on your device, so your notification data stays private. Apple doesn't send any of that data to the cloud. Examples asterisk. Let's say you get multiple notifications from your social media app. The summary might say, Social media, 5 new likes, 2 new comments, and 1 new follow request. Or if you use a fitness tracker, the summary could say, Fitness tracker, you hit your step goal. Time to celebrate. Troubleshooting asterisk. If you're not seeing summaries, double-check that you've turned on scheduled summary and added at least one summary time. Also, make sure that the apps you want to summarize are toggled on in the Notification Apps in Summary section. Try restarting your iPhone as well. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix unexpected glitches. Conclusion asterisk. So there you have it. That's how to summarize notifications with AI on your iPhone using iOS 17. It's a great way to reduce digital clutter, stay focused, and reclaim your time. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it's working for you.
***outro ***. Thanks
for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to RomeTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. We put out new videos every week. We'll see you in the next one. Outro music same as intro.